Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my live stream. So, we are going to continue from where we left yesterday. So, we have been discussing x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. And one more variation of this identity, or you can say one condition: if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So that video has already been uploaded, and I have pasted the link in the description of this live stream. Once the video ends, you may go to the description and have a look. So let's continue. Okay, so here's the first question for the day. 125 a cube plus b cube plus 64 c cube minus 60 abc. So we need to factorize this. So 125 is 5 cube, b cube can be expressed as b whole cube, and 64 is 4 cube. So we will rewrite this particular expression. Okay. 5a cube plus b whole cube plus 4c whole cube and minus 3 into 5a into b into 4c. Okay, so we have broken down the expression in the following way. Then we will expand this one. So this will be 5a plus b plus 4c. Then 5a whole square plus b whole square plus 4c whole square minus 5a into b minus b into 4c minus 4c into 5a. So this will be 5a plus b plus 4c. 5a whole square is 25a square plus b whole square is b square. 4c whole square is 16c square. 5a into b is 5ab, so this is minus 5ab. Minus b into 4c is minus 4bc, and 4c and 5a, so this is minus 20 ac or ca, whatever. So this is our answer. Okay, RGU Hindi. Okay, so I give my explanations in Hindi, English, Assamese, सब language मिला के. So please be patient. Okay, let's try one more. 125 minus 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 90 xy. So minus 125 is 5 whole cube. Then we have 8x cube. But the thing is, in the identity we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube. So we have to express this in this way. यहाँ पे एक पॉजिटिव साइन लगाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. And then we will write minus 2x whole cube. In the similar way, we have to write the positive sign first, and then we have to write minus 3y whole cube. Then minus 3 into 5 into minus 2x into minus 3y. Okay, now that we have broken this up, we will expand using the identity. So 5 okay, so 5 I have written in this as 5 plus minus 2x and plus minus 3y. Okay, then this will be 5 square, 5 whole square plus minus 2x whole square plus minus 3y whole square minus 5 into minus 2x. My notebook doesn't have space, so just try to write this expression in the straight line. Okay, both these expressions, both these statements rather. So minus 5 into minus 2x minus of minus 2x and minus 3y and minus 3y into 5. So 5, and this will become minus 2x, and this will also become minus 3y. And 5 whole square is 25. Minus 2x whole square is plus 4x square. Minus 3y whole square is plus 9y square. Then minus 5, this is 5 and multiplied to minus 2x. So 5 into 2 is 10. So we will have minus 10x, but this minus 10x multiplied to the minus sign is plus 10x. Okay, then we have minus 2x multiplied to minus 3y. So negative of 2x multiplied to negative of 3y is positive 6xy. But we have to multiply the positive 6xy to the negative. So this will again become minus 6xy. And similarly, negative multiplied to the negative will become positive 15y. Deepak Kumar. Hello Deepak Kumar. Welcome to my stream. बहुत बहुत स्वागत. Lily says hi sir. Hello Lily. दीपक कुमार, आर.एस. अग्रवाल या आर.डी. शर्मा? फिलहाल तो आर.एस. अग्रवाल चल रहा है यहाँ पे। वैसे मैं दोनों बुक फॉलो करता हूँ। अभी ये क्वेश्चंस आर.एस. अग्रवाल से हैं। Okay, next up, a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. So for this question, we have to use the second condition which we discussed. Okay, let me just turn back the page so that I can show you. So this is the condition. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So we are going to use this condition. Okay. Let me adjust my notebook a little bit. Fine. So what we can do, we can assume, okay, so this is the solution part. So let us assume कि a minus b is equal to x, b minus c is equal to y, and c minus a is equal to z. Okay, now if we find out the value of x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z माने a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. Okay, so the positive a and negative a gets cancelled out, negative b and positive b gets cancelled out, and negative c and positive c gets cancelled out. So x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Okay, so if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 into xyz. Is it? So what is x as per our assumption? As per our assumption, x is a minus b. So in place of x, we will write a minus b and whole cube. In place of y, we will write b minus c whole cube. In place of z, we will write c minus a whole cube. Okay, and is equal to 3xyz. So 3, x is a minus b, y is b minus c, and z is c minus a. Okay, so this is going to be our answer. Okay, so let's try another question. Find the product x minus 2y plus 3 x square plus 4y square plus 2xy minus 3x plus 6y plus 9. x plus y plus z equals to 3xyz कैसे हुआ? Will it be provided in the question? No, this will not be provided in the question. So x plus y plus z equals to 3xyz is a property. Okay, so if you have or if you rather go through yesterday's stream, then you will know it very well. I have explained it in a full, detailed manner how this is used. Okay, in fact I have solved few questions also yesterday, so you may please refer to them. As of now you can just take it as a property. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. Okay, so find the product. So this, as we can see, has already been given in the expanded form. Okay, we have to write it in the consolidated form, in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So let's rewrite this. As we can see, the y part is in negative, so we have to just keep that in mind. So x square can be written as x whole square. Okay, then we have 4y. As we can see, we can write 2y whole square and see, just to confuse you, they have written the 9 at the last part of the expression. Okay, so 3 square is actually 9, so you write it plus 3 whole square. Okay, then minus x into minus 2y. So you can, like I always say, you can cross check. So x into minus 2y is minus 2xy, and minus 2xy multiplied to minus is positive 2xy. Okay, then we have minus 2y into 3. Again, let us cross check. Negative into negative is positive, 2 into 3 is 6, and y, and minus 3 into x. So how much? Minus 3x. So all the terms we have covered. So this will be x whole cube plus minus 2y whole cube plus 3 whole cube minus 3 into x into minus 2xy, minus 2y into, so our final answer will be x cube. Cube of negative is always negative, so this will be minus 8y cube plus 27 and positive. How this is positive? Negative and negative gives us positive. So positive 3 into 3, 9 into 2 is 18, x and y. So this is going to be our product. Okay. So next up is a little bit different type of question. Okay, so we have a given condition. The condition says if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then show that a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b plus 3abc equals to 0. Okay. Now how to proceed these kind of questions? Okay. So always take help of whatever the condition is given to you. Okay. We have been given a plus b plus c equals to 0. So as we can see, in the left hand side of the expression, we have b plus c, c plus a and a plus b. Okay? So we can derive the values of b plus c, c plus a and a plus b from this given condition. How? Let's see. Or we can write. So if I have to find the value of b plus c, I will transpose the a to the right hand side. So b plus c becomes equal to minus a. Similarly, if we need c plus a, so c plus a, so we will transpose the b, so c plus a becomes equals to minus b. And similarly, if we need a plus b becomes equal to minus c. Okay, so let's proceed. So we can write LHS a square into b plus c plus b square into c plus a plus c square into a plus b plus 3abc. So now we will replace the values of b plus c, c plus a and a plus b with these values minus a, minus b and minus c. Okay, so this becomes a square into minus a plus b square into minus b plus c square into minus c and plus 3abc. So a square into a, or should I say a square into minus a, will give us minus a cube. This will give us minus b cube. This will give us minus c cube plus 3abc. Okay, now if we just recall what the identity was, this is just the opposite. In the identity, we usually have a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, or x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. And this is just in the reverse form, minus a cube minus b cube and plus 3abc. So what we can do, we can take a common factor. So what can be the common factor? As we can see, there is nothing as such common. So we will take minus 1 as common factor. Okay, and then these terms will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, now we'll just go back to the beginning of the question. In the beginning, we were told that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this is, I will just turn the previous page and I will just, okay, so this was what our expression was. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So similarly, if a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c, if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then this part will become 3abc. I will just write the condition. So this becomes 3abc, and we already have a minus 3abc. I will just write the property here. if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, so 3abc and minus 3abc. मिनी ब्लॉग आसाम लास्ट पेज কোনখন লাষ্ট পেজ লাগে মই ঠিক বুজা নাই লাষ্ট পেজ মানে কোনখন মই অসমীয়া জানা বুলি এজিউম কৰি লৈছোঁ নামটোত আসাম দেখি পেলাই দেই so minus 1 into this becomes 0 and 1 into 0 is 0 is equal to RHS. ओके सो रेवंत ओ आपने बहुत सारा मैसेज किया मैंने अभी देखा है जेई मेंस के लिए अच्छा बुक बताओ एंड लिली सिंह एग्ज़ाम के लिए डर लग रहा है अच्छा जेई मेंस के लिए ऐसा है ना आजकल सब इंस्टीट्यूट अपने अपने खुद के स्टडी मटेरियल लाने लगे हैं ना तो कुछ अच्छा बताना क्या ही बोलो इतने सारे बुक्स हो गए आजकल ना आप अरिहंत को प्रेफर कर सकते हो तो अरिहंत के बुक्स अच्छे होते हैं अरे एसएमएस में कोई मिनी ब्लॉग आसाम लिखा था सो आई वाज जस्ट रिप्लाइंग टू हिम इन एसएमएस एग्ज़ाम के लिए डर लग रहा है तो यू हैव टू स्टडी लिली देयर इज़ नो अल्टरनेटिव okay let's try one more question of this pattern रेवंत वैसे आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल आपने शायद बताया भी होगा प्रैक्टिस करके भी डर लग रहा है प्रैक्टिस करके भी डर लग रहा है दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ है ना लिली if 2a minus b plus c equals to 0 then show that for a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals to 0. Let me just cross check the question. If 2a minus b plus c equals to 0, then show that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals to 0. So like I said, this should be question number 2, I think. Okay. In the previous question, I have already told that whatever is given, let's write that 2a minus b plus c equals to 0. बट अभी हम लोग श्योर नहीं है कि कौन सा वैल्यू निकालना है, राइट? इट इज जस्ट गिवन 2a माइनस बी प्लस सी इक्वल्स टू 0. ओके, सो लेट्स डू वन थिंग. हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करते हैं एंड देन वी माइट बी एबल टू फिगर आउट कि what value we need, is it? So I am just leaving some space here. LHS. Excuse me. So we have 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac. Just a moment. So what we'll do, we'll rearrange this. Okay? So we'll take 4a square plus 4ac plus c square. Okay? Now there is a reason why I have written this. Okay? So 4a square is 2a whole square, and c square can be written as c whole square. Okay? So this is basically in the form of x plus y whole square. I will just rewrite this. 2a whole square is 4a square is 2a whole square. Okay, so c square is c whole square, so this is 2 into 2a into c. So if we cross check, 2 into 2a is 4a, a into c is ac. Okay, and minus b square. So if this is 2a whole square plus 2a into c plus c whole square, then this is obviously 2a plus c whole square and minus b square. Okay, so now we are pretty much sure what value we need. No? We need the value of 2a plus c. So what we'll do, we'll just go back here and we will write 2a plus c. So if we need the value of 2a plus c, let's transpose minus b. So this will become b. So the value of 2a plus c is equal to b. So we'll use this value here. So this is b whole square minus b square. So this is b whole square is b square minus b square is 0. So this is equal to our right hand side. Okay. So we have been streaming over 37 minutes now. So let's try one more question and then we will end the stream today. Okay, seems like someone is really enjoying my stream. There are so many laughing emojis. Thank you to anyone who is sending those. So this will be question number 3. Okay, so we have the same condition. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then show that what do we have to show? B plus c whole square by bc plus c plus a whole square by ca plus a plus b whole square by ab equals to 3. Okay, so this is what we are required to show. So from the question it is very much clear. We need the values of b plus c, c plus a and a plus b. So we'll use the condition which has been given to us, given a plus b plus c equals to 0. So just like we did in question number 1. Okay, so we'll find out the values. So a plus b, or rather we will start with b plus c. So b plus c is equal to minus a, because we have to transpose the a to the RHS. So b plus c is minus a, c plus a will be equal to minus b, and a plus b will be equal to minus c. So we'll proceed with the LHS. So we have b plus c whole square by bc, c plus a whole square by ca, and plus a plus b whole square by ab. So we'll replace the values. For b plus c we will use minus a, for c plus a we will use minus b, and for a plus b we will use minus c. Minus a whole square by bc plus minus b whole square by ca plus minus c whole square by ab. Okay, and the good thing about this is the square of any negative is always positive. So this will become a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. Okay, now as for the denominators, we have BC, CA and AB. So if we really want to add them up, we will have to use LCM. Okay, let me adjust my notebook a little bit. So the LCM of BC, CA and AB will be ABC. A, B and C. Okay, now see how to proceed. Most students get confused here. So we have ABC, that means I'm just taking one of the terms. Okay, a square. So this is rough work. Okay, so we have a square by BC. So if this is a square by BC, and if we want to convert the denominator to ABC, so we have to multiply, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by a. In that case, the denominator will become ABC and the numerator will become a cube. Okay, so here the denominator will become a cube plus. Same way we have CA. That means in order to convert the denominator into ABC, we have to multiply the denominator and the numerator by b. So in that case, the numerator will become b cube, and in the same way the numerator over here will become c cube. Shamoli Mondal Das said hi. Hello Shamoli Mondal Das, welcome to my stream. Thank you for joining such late. Okay, Lily sir, how means कौन सा वाला step? Lily, if you can just specify which step you are talking about. अभी जो कराया आपने, which one? This? Okay, let me just do it. Let me complete the question once. We are only one step away from, or two steps away from the solution. Let me complete it and I will just get back to you. And sorry Shamoli Mondal Das, I forgot to welcome you to my channel. And if you are new, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and like the stream. Okay, now for the denominator part, again we have to go back to the first page of today's stream. So x plus y plus z, if x plus y plus z equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube has become 3xyz. So we have a plus b plus c equals to 0. This is given. This is a given condition. Okay, so if a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will become 3abc divided by abc. I will just write down the condition. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So this 3abc and the abc and the abc part will get cancelled out and we will have 3. So this is what we were required to prove. So this is equal to RHS. Okay, I will just quickly repeat what I have done. So this was the condition given to us, a plus b plus c equals to 0, and this is what we are required to prove. Okay, so as there is b plus c, c plus a and a plus b whole square, so we took out the values of b plus c, c plus a and a plus b from this given expression. B plus c equals to minus a. How? We have to transpose the minus a, plus a to the RHS, and it will become minus a. Similarly, c plus a will become minus b, and a plus b becomes minus c. So we'll start with LHS. Okay, so this is the LHS, and we will replace the values. For b plus c, we will write minus a. For c plus a, we will write minus b, and for a plus b, we will write minus c. And minus a whole square is positive a square, minus b whole square is b square, and minus c whole square is c square. Okay, so for adding them up, we have to take the LCM because the denominators are different. So the denominator, which is the LCM for the denominators BC, CA and AB is ABC. Okay, so to convert BC, अभी चीज़ क्या है, I have just shown it here. जैसे कि a square by BC है, तो since the LCM is ABC, मतलब कि denominator को ABC बनाना है, is it? So if you want to make the denominator ABC, we have to multiply a. So if you are multiplying a to the denominator, you have to multiply it to the numerator as well. So a into a square becomes a cube. ठीक उसी तरह यहाँ पे सी ए है, मतलब कि इसको ए बी सी बनाना है, तो यहाँ पे बी से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो अगर यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में बी से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो न्यूमरेटर को भी बी से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस विल बिकम बी क्यूब, एंड इन द सेम वे दिस विल बिकम सी क्यूब. और ये कंडीशन है कि इफ़ ए प्लस बी प्लस सी 0 है, अगर ये 0 होता है, देन ए क्यूब प्लस बी क्यूब प्लस सी क्यूब इक्वल्स टू 3abc. तो ये कैसे होता है ये कल के स्ट्रीम में मैंने समझाया था और इसका वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड है, आप लोग इसको चेक कीजिए कैसे होता है, देन यू विल नो, और उसको धड़ाधड़ क्वेश्चन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं फिर। ओके, सो 3abc और डिनोमिनेटर abc, सो द abc गेट्स कैंसल एंड द आंसर इज 3 विच इज इक्वल टू द राइट हैंड साइड। ठीक है, सो आई होप दिस इज क्लियर। सो लाइक आई टोल्ड येस्टरडे, इस आइडेंटिटी के लिए मैंने 2 लाइव स्ट्रीम्स कर लिए हैं, सो टुमारो आई विल ट्राई टू कवर समथिंग एल्स। You are most welcome, Lily. Just like the stream once so that YouTube को भी पता चल जाए कि स्ट्रीम को कोई लाइक कर रहा है। Anyways, so it's already 12:30 and let's end the stream. Before ending, सबको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया and thank you to all my viewers for joining such late. Thank you, Lily. Thank you so much, and thank you to all my viewers for the day. As I can see, Revant, Shamoli Mondol, Mini Vlog Assam, all the viewers, thank you for joining in. So see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye and good night.